Who's in there? It's the girls. Take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else tell me what to do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can.
Hey YouTube, it's Des, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, stop what you're doing, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. And if you've already been rocking with me, then welcome back. So as you guys can tell from the title, your girl did a little budget shopping at Walmart in the clearance section today while I was on my lunch break. I went in there to find one item, which was, did I even get that item? No, I did not get that item, which was some plastic wrap for my gift bags that I'm doing for my store. By the way, if you're not following me, go follow me on princessinthecloth.com. I will be dropping some Valentine's Day baskets there that are for sale. If you live in the Atlanta area, I can meet up with you, or you can come to my pop-up shop, which will be taking place this Saturday. So anywho, yeah, so I got 38 items for the price of $25. Yes. So let's just get into it. So the first item that I got from out of that section is this baby right here. This is the biggest item, the most expensive one, which is only $5, by the way. So I got this for my daughter, my youngest daughter. They love to be outside. They're actually outside right now jumping on a trampoline. So I figured that this would be really good for really indoor, but I'm just going to let them, I'm going to put it up indoor, but in the future, I plan on actually taking it outside when Jael, my oldest daughter, when she starts track. I'm going to take this for my little one to set up her own little space inside of there and have her tablet, her snacks, and all of that in there so she can just chill out, blankets. $5, and the original price on this was $30. So your girl definitely got a steal on this one. It includes a little flashlight, a cap lantern, a watch, utility utensil, a play canteen, and some binoculars. So yes, that's gonna be perfect for her, but I am going to set it up just so that she can have it, just to see, make sure I don't take up too much space. So that was the first thing I got. The next thing I got, which I'm going to actually send on outside right now, were for $1. And these were parachutes, and it's just great for creativity, you know, hand-eye coordination. You can add the little balls to it, if you guys see right there. I got this for $1. The original was $5. So even for $5, it's really a steal to me because you can never get enough fun with this. If you guys know, you know, from when we were younger, children, we used to have this in the gym. So I got 3 of those. One for my school, one for my baby, and then I actually gave her daycare one, and they were excited about that. So yeah. I got this glitter pen for my oldest daughter, which was $1, and it was originally $5. So this is actually going in with the Valentine's Day stuff. So yeah, that's one little gift for her. Gotta put that to the side. Then let's see what else I got. Okay, so I'm not even sure how many of these I got. Oh, yeah, I got 3 of these. So I got 3 of these boxes. They were only 50 cents. They're treat boxes, and they look like this. So instead of me getting the bags that I was supposed to be getting for like the plastic wrap for my gift bags, I decided to put them in these. Yeah, it's not really giving Valentine's Day, but I feel like it doesn't really matter. I'm going to make it Valentine's Day because I'm going to add like little red, what is it, I love you and all of that. I'm going to add that around this part so that it'll make sense. Not red, I'm sorry, pink. So it'll make sense, like love stickers on there. And I'm going to use these instead. So 2 came in a box for 50 cents. They were originally $1.36. So I guess I'll be making 3. How many did I get? Oh, I actually got 4 boxes. I thought I got 3 boxes. So I actually got 4 boxes. I mean, 4 packages of this, and 3 come in each. So I'll be making all these baskets right here for that. Then I got these, which is very, very random, but I was like, why not go ahead and get them. These were 50 cents. And these are antibacterial hand wipes. They were originally $2.46, so that was definitely a deal. And I like to keep these in my daughter's book bag. You guys know that she is fully potty trained. So we don't need wipes for real, but we always need these because she's always snacking in my car and on the move. So I'm going to keep a package of these in her bag for that particular reason. And just in case of an emergency, like it'll always be in her bag. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I got 4, 5, 6 of those. I wiped them out of those. Then also I got these hand towels, which were originally $5, but they were on sale for $1. But I actually needed more hand towels anyways for the kitchen. I use mine after I wash my hands. I have a space in a little basket that I keep them in, and I actually use it to dry my hands on. So you could not beat that for $2. I mean for $1 for 2. And even though it was Halloween, because you know they're old, so they were on sale. I still thought they were pretty cute. So I'm like, it doesn't matter because they don't sit out. They actually sit in my cabinet. So perfect deal for that. Then I also got all of these, and these will be added to my store, but I got them for 50 cents. They're pencil cases. So when I get like an actual location again, these will definitely be in that little section of accessories. I got 1, 2. They're all a little different. 3. That one has like a little mermaid. 4. This one has like a little unicorn. 5. This one is like just a rainbow one. And then this one has like a little mermaid lady on there. So I got those, 6 of those. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 of those. Then I took all the cases. Sorry, guys. Well, I'm not sorry because these are definitely going into my store. And fun fact, my poppets that I ordered from my store, I ordered them wholesale and they all sold out. Like I never kept them longer than like 2, 3 weeks. Like the kids, they love them, so they came in and brought them. If they didn't find like an outfit or something, that was always something that they would just grab onto. So I got I took both, like everything that was left of these, and these were 50 cents originally, $2.50, and I got purple, I got purple, and I got blue. So if you guys can see. So these are like sharks. Look at the little teeth. So cute. And these are just, I'm going to put one of these in for Bunny for Valentine's Day as well. So let's actually stick that back in here for their little basket. And I'll show you guys a whole video of their basket with all in there and all of that. They're actually sharing a basket this year because we're doing a fun date idea that I came up with. So yeah, it's gonna be a full day. We're doing a photo shoot and all of that. So you guys will be seeing that video of all of that coming out. But I believe I got 10 of these, the purple ones, and 10 of the blue ones, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think so. And they're all in both of these bags. So yeah, I think that's all of my, I think that's everything from my Walmart haul from clearance section, guys. Check out the clearance section in your Walmarts because sometimes they really have really good deals. And this was like the best deals I think I've ever caught. Besides a time where I got like a wine shaker that is so bomb. It came with a wine shaker, a cup, and everything like to like make like Moscow Mules. And I got it for like $3, y'all. And it was like originally like a $25 kit. So that was a really good steal. But you can find really good things in their clearance section. So check it out. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. And be free to comment below if you have any ideas of any videos that you want to see on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.